What's up guys? Today we have another IKEA product. This is the Kallax shelf. It is, well, it's 2 rows by 4 columns, or you can have it as 2 columns by 4 rows, but it's basically a 2 by 4 shelf. I'll build it and let you know how it goes. So here we have all the parts to the shelf. Everything is pre-drilled with holes. It comes with, I'm not sure what these are, I'll find out when I look at the instructions. It comes with plugs, screws, these soft stickers to, protect from damaging the floor, and the instructions. Okay, so what I've done was I screwed the 2 big pieces together with the screw here, like that. And then there's another small section here, kind of like a similar to this section here, but smaller, using dowel rods all throughout, so through here as well. So the outer section is screwed, the inner section is using dowel rods. So I've used those dowel rods to plug in the main shelves of the shelf. All that I need is one of the big walls on the side has to go in here, and then another one here, and that's it. Okay, so I've put the other side wall up and the end wall, and it's complete. 4 screws this side. Make sure that you crimp here tight, otherwise we'll just push this wall away. Another 4 on this side. And then we have these protective pads. We're going to lay it down on this side. So it's going to be like so. If you want, you can cover these screw holes and lay it up so it's in the higher position. So it'll be 2 columns. Alright, I'm going to flip it over and put it into position, and let's have a look. Okay, so here we have the Kallax 2x4 shelf completed. That's the size of it compared to a toy car. And yeah, solid construction. I mean, once you tighten up the screws well, I think it's going to last quite a bit. If you put it up so it's sitting high, so it'll be 2 columns, you may need to screw it to the wall or adjust it accordingly. Maybe put heavy stuff on the bottom shelves to balance it, because they said there's a risk of it toppling over, but it's heavy enough, I believe, that it won't topple over. Yeah, so the Kallax shelf, there you have it. If you have any comments, please leave it in the description below. Remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.